Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is customary for the dad to speak his daughter's wedding reception. So here I am. The problem is, I'm so scared of speaking in public. Yeah, because I have stage fright. Fortunately, I'm now on stage, so then I guess everything's fine. Is everyone having a good time? Enjoying your dinner? Okay, so my name is Angelino, and I am the FOB, Father of the Bride. So I'm tasked to make a more, serious speech. Because making speeches are like children. They're a lot more fun to conceive than to deliver. So, on behalf of both our families, the MOD, my most outstanding beauty, and the mother of the bride, my wife Alicia, our son Arvin, our daughter Andrea, the groom's parents Maroon and Rosette Diaz, their sons Nick and Ryan. We are so humbled and honored by your presence tonight at the celebration of Elias and Anne's wedding. Now let's get to the serious part. Okay, so I remember an African proverb I learned in school. It takes a village to raise a child. And as parents, we intentionally surround our children with people who will show them love, encourage them, so that they will be able to forge good relationships that will help them grow. And tonight, I'm so thrilled to see 200 or so village members, family, relatives, and friends who mean so much to us, especially to Anna and Elias. Thank you for your love and friendship. And we give special thanks to people who have traveled from far away to be here with us tonight on this special occasion. Okay, paragraph 4. Okay, we are missing some very dear people who were not able to make it tonight, and I know they only have well wishes for the newlyweds. And I know it was a very lovely, church ceremony earlier. Did you think so? Okay, so at this point, I'd like to thank the people newlyweds really respect and admire. They are the principal sponsors, Elias and Elspeth Diab, who flew in from Scotland. My brother-in-law, Ochoa Cruz from Virginia. And of course, we love her so dearly, Dina Del Rosario from Philippines, who flew in from New York and Costa and you name it, from everywhere. And our beloved great aunt Emily Rivera from San Francisco. I just want to remind the family that please don't send pictures if depressed. Alright, so we also thank the secondary sponsors. Okay, I think I wrote them down. My son Arvin and John. Dr. Yeah, Dr. Rahul and Gayatri, Jeffrey and Katie. And of course, the awesome bridal party. Thank you for taking care of the groom and bride. Let's give them a big round of applause. Okay, paragraph 3. Now the serious part. To my daughter, Anna. Boy, you are a stunning, beautiful young woman and new bride. In your incredibly gorgeous, if not slightly overpriced wedding gown. You know, I thought it was going to be easy to give away my daughter's hand in marriage. For months, weeks, and days leading to this wedding day, my diamond ring flashed before my eyes. And I've cried my tears. And tonight, it's time to celebrate. And you know, as a child, Anna was outgoing, strong, and loving, something which she had brought into her adult life. Don't worry, honey, I won't embarrass you here. But despite the bumps along the way, she remained driven, you know, made sacrifices, and worked really hard to where she is today. But despite all that, as what my daughter Andrea said, she's a very kind-hearted and loving person. Always wants to be better at what she does. Always wants to be a better person. You truly made me a proud father, and I love you so much.